Hey guys! Right now I am on campus. Oh, first I forgot to say my intro. Hey guys, what's up? It's Raz. Welcome back to my channel. I have a retainer on, so if I spit or slurred, that's why. So right now I'm on campus and I'm using natural light, and you can tell by the title of this video I'm doing a makeup tutorial. I'm just getting ready for the day. I want to do my makeup just because I felt like it. I'm growing this huge pimple, so just ignore that. We'll just cover that bad boy up. I don't know when it grew. It just kind of grew. It looks hideous. Wow. Anyway, that's not the point of the video though. I wanted to get ready on camera, so that's what I'm doing. But first, play some jams. Light jams. So hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but probably will. Okay. I don't know if you can see the sweat on my face right now, but I am sweating because I'm wearing a long sleeve underneath, because my phone, my weather app told me that it was gonna rain today. What? Come again? Because it's sunny right now. And also, if the light comes in and out, and if there's like, it's distracting right here if people walk by, sorry about that. And sorry if the light goes in and out, because I'm using natural lighting like I said, so. Anyway, look, you can see my microphone if I go like this. You can see it right here. Right here. I'm not gonna wear primer because forget it. I don't need primer if I'm just gonna be at school and it's just a normal day. I'm gonna talk, by the way, through this video because I like talking while I do my makeup. So I'm using Clinique. Let me show you. I'm using this. This is gonna be a chill video, and I'm using my little, what are these called? These brushes? I don't know. I got like a really good set on Amazon. I think by You Spicy, by that brand. So, oval brushes, that's what they're called. Why is it that I can remember makeup, but I can't remember things for school? And it's ridiculous. Like, I try so hard, but I can't remember for my life. I make flashcards, I go to Quizlet, I repeat it, I turn it into a song. I make up weird mnemonics, like, I don't know. It's weird. As you can tell, at least I hope, the color matches me perfectly. I hope. I don't know. I don't know why I'm talking about it. Like, that's how a foundation is supposed to be. I feel like the color's still weird. But I don't know, it looks good on me, so at least I think it does. I just think it's a little too dark. But I wasn't gonna buy two. Are you kidding? Like, two of the same foundation, just different colors? No thank you. To get the right color, like, no thank you. I'd rather be this weird color. Plus it matches my neck a lot better than my normal color. I'm more pink. Or red, should I say. I almost ran this girl over today. So bad. And it's because I thought my friend was running late. Well, my sister's friend, but also my friend, whatever. I consider him my friend. But if my sister knows who I'm talking about, she's gonna be like, oh my god, you consider him your friend? And I'm like, yes. You guys probably have no idea what I'm talking about. Like this video if you have no idea what I'm talking about. Ah, I just stabbed my face. What are you talking to? The camera. I like the doe foot applicator because you can like spot treat and like not spot treat, but you can like concentrate it in one spot. I don't know how else to explain. I don't know. I guess my vocab is not that good. Not that broad. Next, concealer. Actually, sippy. My attempt at trying to cover up the logo that's on the cup because I'm trying to help my future self out, my editing self. Okay. Concealer. I don't know if you can see what I just did. Oh, there you go, if I go in the shade. But if I'm in the shade, then I'm like, it doesn't work. You can't see me. Try to make my nose look straighter. So I'm putting concealer to open up this area to make it look lifted. I don't know. I don't understand the science, to be honest. Beauty blender. It's a fake one. Because I don't want to spend $20 on a real one. This is just water, so. I always have water with me, with my makeup, just in case you need it. I also conceal my little mustache hairs. Yes, I'm a girl. I have little mustache hairs. They're growing in, and I forgot to shave this morning. Yes, FYI, guys, if you're watching, boys, girls, depending on what you do, but I shave this just with a normal razor. Sometimes with an eyebrow razor, but most of the time with a normal razor. Girls are probably gonna hate me for this video because I'm exposing all our secrets, but ooh, that's a nice title for this video. Exposing all my secrets. I like lost my thought, my train of thought. So. I'm also putting it on my lid. That's what I'm doing right now. In case you can't see. Can you see the difference? I don't know. Did that make a difference? Did I do it right? I don't know. I'm literally using the rear view mirror as my makeup mirror. How bad is that? I'm gonna start doing makeup on other people, so if you live in my area and you want to get your makeup done, let me know. Okay, and then I used to do it right here. Should I? Yeah, because I like it when I do that. Do this. If you do your makeup, do this. Learn from me. It just cleans up, especially even if you're not gonna do contour, it just cleans up your makeup so much. Do you see this dead skin flying everywhere? It's disgusting. But it's kind of neat. Oh, I'm sweating. Do you see the sweat? Do you see it? I always sweat on my mustache area first. It's the weirdest thing. I just remembered I forgot to put tape. I'm gonna put tape after the transition color. I never made the connection. Are you too hot?
Are you having sleep paralysis?
Oh man. I literally just wiped in my eye. I know you're not supposed to pull your eyes, but what happened, happened. Look at that difference. Hey, so I was gonna do mascara off camera, but then I thought, why not show you guys the process of my lashes becoming amazing? Or at least what I think is amazing.
To the creepy old man watching your video, I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial.
Audience, my viewers are creepy old men.
Everybody knows why.
Almost done! 4 hours later. Now highlight. So Carly Bybel palette. Which color, which highlighter am I gonna use? Which highlighter?
Pink.
No, obviously the one that I use a lot of.
Oh.
I was making a joke. You didn't get my joke?
I said pink.
I know. Okay, I'm gonna take pictures and insert them now. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you enjoyed my sister chewing in the background, give it a thumbs up. That was kind of an ASMR. She said you're welcome. And if you want more makeup videos, yeah, up here. If you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below or by giving this video a thumbs up. And I'm gonna go. Bye bye.